everybody, this is Rebecca TOTILO with Aroma Institute, and today I'm going to be doing a product review so this is the VicTsing 500 ml Aromatherapy set. This is really nice because it actually comes with 6 essential oils, and I haven't opened it and used it yet, so this is going to be us doing this together. Now, what I did find out about this product is that it really has a lot of wonderful features that you might enjoy. So let's go ahead and take a look inside our box. And we have our instructions here. Looks like a coupon code or something. Has the plug-in adapter. Right on top you have essential oils. Nice box. And let's go ahead and pick the unit out. All right. So it looks like it has a nice wood grain finish that would probably look nice in anyone's home, very minimal. And it's probably gonna match just about anybody's decor. Looks like it's energy efficient. Let's take a look at this. Now, one of the first things that I personally wanted to know about this particular unit is the way it's crafted. Now, inside, this is where you're going to put your water. In fact, they give you this little cup here for adding water to the unit. I end up losing these, but anyway, it's there for you if you want to keep it. I usually like to hide this type of stuff away. So this is where you're going to add your water. This is a 500 ml, so that's about equivalent to about 16 ounce, almost 17 ounce unit. That's quite a bit of water. So this is probably going to be running quite a bit. You could probably run it a long time. So it is made of non-BPA plastic material that makes it safe for the entire family to use. You don't have to be concerned about that. You're using just your regular tap water. If you have distilled water, you could use that. So it's going to automatically shut off when you run out of water. So you can leave this running for hours. It's quite a bit of water. What is wonderful about the ultrasonic water diffusers is the fact that it's adding humidity into the air. Now, for me in Florida, that's not something I want, but for you guys that may be in a drier climate, this is something that you can eliminate another product with, and that's a humidifier. So this is going to add humidity into the air, and you're just going to be using your essentials right into this unit and putting your top on. So one of the first things that I wanted to know about is how it works. And it looks like it has 3 settings for 1 hour, 3 hours, and 6 hours. And you have your light and your mist. So I'm gonna have to plug this in and check it out and see how it works. It has a nice design, and it's going to be great for using in your home to eliminate odor. So you might want to place this in your bathroom. I have one by my kitchen because I like to use it in that space where maybe we're cooking with onions and garlic and all these other things, and I want to just sort of clear the air and make it smell nice again. This one comes in at a great price point of $36.99. It is on Amazon, and you can get this quickly shipped to you. So I find that the price is very competitive with those that you would see in other places. It has 14 soothing light features and colors. So really that's nice because you can find something that works for you in your decor. And also it's very soothing as a night light. So you can use this to help you get a good night's sleep, just using 5 or 6 drops of essential oil in it. And so each light has a feature where you can have it on a bright light or you can have it on a lower, dimmer light. And this allows you to choose what the mood or the ambience that you want to use in your home. Okay, let's take a look now at some of the essential oils that this product comes with. Ooh, I can already smell them. It has sweet orange, peppermint, lavender, tea tree, lemongrass, and eucalyptus. And those are usually the ones that most people need in their home. So sweet orange is great. This one is great for the kitchen. It helps brighten the space up and makes it smell so nice and cheerful. Peppermint is another oil that they've included in this, and it's great for your workspace. If you have a home office or a place where you like to work, this is a great one because it helps energize you, helps keep your mind and your mental clarity sharp. Another oil that's included in this kit is tea tree. Now, tea tree is great because it's antifungal, anti-infectious, antibacterial, and antiviral, and has so many other benefits to it. And so this one is a great one to use in your bathroom. This will help disinfect that space and keep it fresh and sanitized. Eucalyptus is another one that you might want to use in your bathroom as well. This one is great for opening up passageways and helping you breathe. And so this one is a great one to have for when you're running your shower. Lavender is the one that I use by my bed. Now I'm running my diffuser usually about a half an hour before bedtime, just to set the mood and help to bring in more of a relaxing atmosphere. So lavender is a great overall oil for a lot of benefits, but you're going to want to use this one in your bedroom. Now, tea tree is another one that I have found to be a favorite oil. This one I like to use in my outdoor spaces for repelling insects and bugs. I use it in the porch and the patio space, as well as maybe in a hallway or an entrance way where insects like to congregate and sort of slip in the cracks and get into the house. This is a great one to use in your hallways or your entrance ways in your home. Well, thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you'll take a look at this diffuser as one of your choices. I have a diffuser in every room of my house.